So I'm guessing if you're clicking this video, you are new to investing, you don't know where to start, and you want to get into the stock market. Well, good news is I got great information on how you can start investing today. An ETF. What is an ETF? In simple terms, an ETF is an exchange traded fund. ETF is a type of security that involves a collection of securities such as stocks that often tracks an underlying index, although can invest in any number of industry sectors or use various strategies. Now, we look at this ETF, it's based on the top 500 companies in the stock market. The reason I like owning ETFs is that they can help hedge risk associated with individual companies, and it allows investors to get involved with an entire index or industry with a single investment. Let people choose stocks for you. If you are new, don't go out there researching, day trading, picking stocks you have no idea if they're going to grow or not. It's a gamble. The S&P has returned on average the past 30 years 12%. The thing that people do wrong is they think they know it all and they go choose stocks, they trade it, they sell it for losses, sometimes they get profits, but really in general, they are not beating the average of any of these ETFs. As we can see, 76% on return investment in the past 5 years. Same with the S&P 500, 12% on average every year for 30 years. Be smart, pick these ETFs, let your money sit and hold it as a long-term investment. The moment you try and day trade, the moment you try and get into options is the moment you start messing up, losing your money. You can obviously do that, but make sure you got a long term to support yourself and be smart with your money. You can also go to 100 most popular stocks and invest in those because those are great companies and they'll probably be around for 10 to 20 years. Now we're going to go into the 3 most important things I feel for investing. Find a good ETF, something you believe in, something that has growth. If you don't know what to pick, just go with the S&P 500. It's proven to make gains. Like I said, 12% every year on average for 30 years. Number 2, buy and hold. As you can see with this coronavirus thing, the S&P sold off tons. It had a huge drop, over 20%, probably even more than that. But if you don't sell, you aren't going to lose. Look at the V-shaped recovery that happened. Be patient, buy, and hold. And number 3, keep investing. Keep putting money towards your investments because if you're just letting it sit in a bank account, it will not grow. Let your money work for you. That is why you are investing. And one of the most important rules that everybody has trouble with, be patient. You're not going to get rich overnight. You're not going to get rich in 5 years. You're not going to even get rich in 10. But if you keep investing, you let your money sit there, in 20 to 30 years, you will thank yourself. It is not hard to become a millionaire. It's about being patient and keeping with the process and the game plan. If you guys found any value from this video, please drop a like, join the family, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in, guys. As always, I'm Millennial Masters, and I'm out. Peace.